Losing money and time by scrapping gearbox housings due to worn, damaged, or loose ball bearing liners belongs to the past thanks to the newest innovation by Sammler CS. Our engineers have developed a new generation of gearbox housings with replaceable ball bearing liners to solve multiple issues. The main problem with current solutions lies in the design of the old generation gearbox housings, in which the broken, damaged, or worn ball bearing liners are cast in or clamped. Due to the outdated design, a complete replacement of the gearbox housing is usually necessary. This leads to frequent downtimes and high costs. The perfect solution is here. Replaceable ball bearing liners by Sammler CS. Our screw-in design allows for quick and easy on-site installation. No special knowledge, skills, or tools are required. With the Sammler CS puller, the job is done efficiently and effectively. Our brand new solution is available for the entire Sammler CS GTR series and is suitable for retrofitting installation on Sundyne Gearboxes. Contact our sales team for more information today, or download the datasheet from our website. Sammler CS, excellence in every component.